My name's Walter Voigt. I'm an associate professor of materials science and engineering here at UT Dallas. I think the next generation of learning will be these 3D immersive worlds where systems level learning, whether it's systems biology or systems chemistry, comes from exploring big, open-ended, complex problems in a space with like-minded individuals tackling really hard problems. We've written and maintain one of the world's biggest mods for Minecraft. And so we've gone to great lengths to embed real scientific content into Minecraft. Materials, polymers, processing, lithography, alloys. And we've built that into the Minecraft game so that users can excel in the game by teaching themselves real-world science and real-world materials processing in these big open worlds, and then coming together in the real world to apply that knowledge, that thinking, that teamwork, that work ethic, that leadership to make the world a better place.
My name is Jeff Price, and I am an associate professor of animation and game design, and I focus on virtual reality and augmented reality at University of Texas at Dallas. The projects that we work on enable the workforces of the future by preparing them in a way that they can't normally do on the job. There might not be access to the kind of equipment that they need. Having something in virtual reality allows them to have a headset at home and practice and give them more hours of training where they would not normally have. There's a lot of applications for augmented reality and virtual reality and mixed reality in different ways. Mixed reality is going to be very common in our cars. You might see a heads-up display on your dash, and that shows you cars that are in your way, or maybe there's a wreck up ahead. All these technologies, hopefully, are some things that my students at UTD will be in the forefront of producing or developing.
My name is Dr. Reneker. I am a professor of neuroscience at UT Dallas. Post-traumatic stress disorder is caused by the memories, the thoughts, the feelings that were occurring at the time of the trauma. What we've developed is a tool to detangle that, to disconnect the fear centers from the brain from those memories, those thoughts, those feelings, those sights and sounds that would drive that response. The mechanism uses a small implant in your neck to stimulate a nerve called the vagus nerve. The vagus releases chemicals in the brain that enhance learning and plasticity during therapy. Every psychological condition and every neurological condition, recovery occurs in the brain. And if you can enhance plasticity or learning in the brain, you should be able to enhance recovery. And so that's what we've discovered, and that's what we're seeing is we're helping stroke patients, we're helping spinal cord patients, we're helping PTSD patients. We think that this technology is going to radically transform the lives of millions of Americans going forward for all host of psychiatric and neurological conditions.
I'm Shalini Prasad, professor and department head of bioengineering. My laboratory brings together fundamental sciences, integrates them with engineering ideas towards building intelligent systems that are going to revolutionize the way you live your life. In a minute, without any pain, without any needles, without any pricks. The ability to test and understand your body's physiology at your home, at your convenience, is the first process that we started. So these are our wearables that help us track inflammation, infection, and other chronic diseases. So we designed this ultra-sensitive electrochemical sensor that very quickly can measure and report the presence and quantify the amount of fentanyl. And we've translated this from the lab through my collaboration with a company I co-founded called Enlicense towards making what would be a product that can help save millions of lives through rapid screening. UT Dallas gives us the ecosystem to have this opportunity to not just be an entrepreneur ourselves, but also train the next generation, because our students are not just individuals with a single focus, they're multidisciplinary, and they can essentially rule the world.